Interview of Sharmin Ahmed. Sharmin Ahmed, daughter of Tajuddin Ahmed, in an interview, she revealed the true history of the Liberation War. The common people of this country don't know what kind of person Sheikh Mujib really was. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman kept the common people of this country away from the correct history of the war. Sharmin Ahmed revealed the unspoken words of that war before the nation. Sharmin Ahmed revealed everything deliberately. That night, Bangabandhu didn't give any instruction to Tajuddin Ahmed. Just like Sheikh Hasina, keeping her family safe and ran away, leaving the leaders and activists in danger. Bangabandhu did the same. He was arrested himself in a pre-planned manner, putting the country's people and activists in danger. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's most trusted man was Tajuddin Ahmed. What happened that night was that Mujib managed to put Tajuddin Ahmed to sleep with oil in his nose. I called a strike the next day. Back in those days or SARS, the poster can still be found. When we know that the crackdown will be started, this matter was already leaked. Imran Khan also knew that the crackdown or massacre would begin on March 25th. He was going to West Pakistan with the cricket team, and the generals were saying the genocide had already begun. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman knew everything. Sheikh Mujib said, "You jump into the war with sticks and whatever you have." He didn't ask to form the government. He didn't declare independence. What happened that night? If Barrister Aminul Islam was not there, he would have forced him out of the house. Abu said we should go on the path of freedom. Abu did all the work with Mujib. Sheikh Mujib had many arguments with Tajuddin. That night, Abu said to Sheikh Mujib that any leader of the world has shown himself arrested, keeping in danger the nation. He didn't give any instruction. Do what you have to do, whatever you say to do. He has to stay there. Have you had a meeting to say what the chain of command will be after you? Did he say who will be responsible after you? What are the plans? Because of this, there is a huge division in the party. That night, my father was passing the pause like a delirium. Then Barrister Aminul Islam came to my father. He said, Tajuddin Bhai, I want to pick up Mujib Bhai, but he will not come. Barrister Kamal Hussein was there. Then Mujib uncle took a bath and put on white Punjabi pajamas and was preparing to show himself arrested. That night, Mujib uncle put his hands on the back of Barrister Kamal and Barrister Aminul and said, "You will be left the house right now." True history has never been told. The nation was kept away from the real history of the Liberation War. The nation has been brainwashed on March 7th and March 26th, leaving aside the real story of the Liberation War. Many things will come out. Here, people are not stupid. They only threw the nation into confusion by marching on 7th March and 26th March. That which was the nucleus of our Liberation War has been left out. Advocate Fazlur Rahman said that Bangladesh was created from the womb of Liberation War. Thank you very much.